Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Philippines, of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Higher Education Commissioner, Mr. Jerry Lama III. Officers, Philippine Coast Guard Admiral Ronnie Caban, the officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Philippine Merchant Marine Maritime Captain Superintendent Commodore Joel Caban, the Sambales 2nd District Representative Doris Malikis, Sambales Provincial Governor Joel Caban, the officers, employees, cadets, and graduates of the PMMA Catalintan class of 2025, also the parents and loved ones of the PMMA graduating class, fellow workers in government, ladies and gentlemen, good day to you all. 2 centuries ago, in 1820, the PMMA began its seafaring journey as the Escuela Nautica de Manila in Cabones. 200 taon ang paghahanda at pagbibigay direksyon sa mga kabataan Pilipino na tatawid sa dagat upang maglingkod at magdala ng tangan sa ating bayan. Sa loob ng mahigit 2 siglo, ilang libo na ang mga marinong hinubog ng PMMA sa iba't-ibang parte ng mundo. Sa bawat pagtatapos, mayroong bagong angkat ng may nagpapatuloy ng pamana ng institusyon ito. Ngayon, kayo ang bagong henerasyon. Kawa ang dalang pasigat, liwanag ng karagatan. Your classmate says it all. Your journey far into the sea to carry the light for others to follow, even in the most turbulent moments. Today, there are 252. Some of you serve with the Navy, some with the Coast Guard, and some with the Merchant Marine. Each path is different, but you carry the same compass guiding towards excellence and service. The season life you live, it will test you, it will push you to your limits, and above all, it will shape you to the mariner that you are meant to be. I believe your safe arrival at your destination is a triumph for yourself and for the people that you serve. Kaya naman, tinitiyak ang pamahalaan ng mas matibay at mas mataas ang antas ng pagsasanay ng ating bansa. Magkakaroon na tayo ng National Merchant Marine Aptitude Test na susukat kung handa ng ating mga kabataan na kumuha ang mga maritime courses sa kunin. Kung dito, binubuod rin natin ang National Maritime Education and Training Program para tuloy-tuloy naman ang pag-aral mula sa non-degree hanggang sa degree program. Gumagawa rin ang Marina ng iba't-ibang paraan upang maparami ang oportunidad para sa on-board training. To our cadets, do not forget to carry your mission and to carry on the tradition of excellence of the PMMA. Let this day inspire you to live up to your class's name, bringing your own light even in the darkest of seas. Para naman sa inyong mga magulang at pamilya, kayo po ang tunay na bayani sa likod ng bawat kadete. Marahil ngayong araw, kayo isip ninyo ang lahat ng payo at sakripisyo na inyong sa inyong mga anak, sa inyong mga sumbuhay, upang matulungan ang mga kadete na makarating dito. At sa pagkakataon ito, sila na ang hahawak sa manibela ng kanilang buhay. Ngunit, Naniniwala ko na kahit gaano kalayo ang narating nila, marami nilang dala ang araw at pagmamahal sa inyo. Mga kalero, malawak ang akong tanong ninyo. Dadalhin kayo ng inyong mga pagmusito itong dakot ng mundo. Tandaan ninyo na sa bawat paglalakbay, pinipit ninyo ang dala at pagmamahal sa bayan. Dalhin ninyo ang pangalan ng PMMA ng kagaligtan at ng Pilipinas sa bawat pantalan at bawat karagatan inyong tatawin. Maraming salamat. Congratulations at mabuhay ang kagaligtan class of 2045. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Thank you, Mr. President, for your inspiring message. We would like to present to you this memento in grateful appreciation of your presence and for being our guest of honor and speaker for the commencement exercise of the PMMA Kagaligtan Class of 2025. May we request Commodore Joel Wyotan, PMMA, to present the memento to His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. This memento will be as a unification act of all dress of uniform, symbolizes honor, discipline, and unwavering commitment to duty. It serves as a lasting reminder of the proud traditions and values upheld within the maritime service.
At this instance, ladies and gentlemen, let us all stand and sing the PMMA hymn.
Dugong bayani, sulong laban, wag move from being a mere potential to a man of purpose. Let the swing symbolizes where